Good afternoon, 2E1CQ for Ham Radio 3.0. Welcome to another video. If I can turn that screen round for a little bit, that is the Anytone AT-D168UV, the new DMR radio. I'll go back this way, otherwise it's going to interfere with the videos. There you go. Let's see what I can read so far. It's not available in the UK at the moment. It's priced in the States as $199. So that could be around about $150, but I wouldn't take that as gospel at the moment. Let's wait and see. Comparison between the 878 and the 168. The 168 doesn't come with GPS or Bluetooth. The Analogue APRX-TX is yes, but with a fixed beacon only. No receive. Digital APRS-TX and RX yes, but with a fixed beacon only. 2 GB memory. 500,000 digital contacts, which is good. The C-type charger is on the radio. Satellite stuff, yes, on the 168. Noise reduction, that's new. Be nice to see what that feature actually does and how well it actually works. The QDC 1200 singling, I'm not too sure what that actually is. Yes, on the 168. Part 90 certification should be done by the middle of September. And the transmit power. 2 available batteries with the 168 UV is the 1800 milliamp and the 25. I did see something else that says it's 26. I'm not too sure if that's the correct information there, but we're taking it as it is at the moment. That photo was actually taken from an Anytone site, so I can only assume that is actually correct. Let's move on to something else. No, the screen's going to change at the moment because for some reason Facebook won't allow me anything else. That's my Facebook group. You're more than happy to join. It's available for everyone around the world. That is a radio ham. John Miklor, I don't know if that's actually pronounced that correct. Do apologise if I haven't. Has already done a review. So if we click on that, no doubt it will be able to turn the page. Yes, it does. Thank you very much. Scroll on down, you can get a lot of information on here and so on. That's a confirmation that it comes with 2 batteries. Oh, there you go. John says 2600 milliamp batteries. So I'm not too sure, John, if you see this video, 2500 or 2600, which one is obviously correct. I better mention that to him later on. I'll have to come back from my afternoon trip. I've only got about another hour or so. 2 antennas, 4.75 inch and a 15 inch antenna. 46 page English user guide. That's the general description. 4 power levels, 4,000 channels, 10,000 talk groups, 250 zones, 500,000 digital contacts, update firmware possible. A little bit there from the US Part 90 certificate info. Low power information on the 168 with the VHF and UHF. Receive audio. A little bit description on the site. antennas, and that's the display you actually receive. Assuming, I haven't read anywhere that like the 878 Mark II Plus, you can change the colours, so I can only assume that's possible on this one. Good thing about this one is that you currently have a 868 or 878 series handheld. Your current code plug can be exported to a CSV file, then imported into the D168UV. That saves a lot of time. Absolute fantastic. Fully upgradable with firmware updates. Done on a Windows computer in about 5 minutes. That shows you the C-type charger next to what looks like to be the separate microphone socket, because you can always tell because it's obviously got the 2 pins. Batteries. Conclusion. Again, Bridgecom have that for $199. So I can only assume with I can't have my mobile phone to work out the pound sterling equivalent, but it's probably around about 150, give or take. And it looks very nice. Not too sure if I can increase the look of that and actually look any more. That's the Bridgecom website. That might be a photo. Yes, it is. That looks a little. Oops. Except that looks a little bit bigger. And looks a very nice radio, to be honest with you. Come back out. That's the 168. Please join my Facebook page. I think this could be the next best thing since the 878 Mark II Plus. Another good DMR radio from Anytone. Be interesting to see if this rumours about as a single band version will be the 168S. Not too sure if that's the 2 meter version or the 77 version, but we can only wait and see. All the best. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube video. Please like and share and subscribe. 73s, all the best.